One, two, three. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. We are the presenter number 4, and we are gonna tackle about the D time and P time of the TikTok Shop platform. So, next slide, please. So, we are your presenters in this TikTok Shop. Let's start off with Rel Gabrielias, Rosana Amistad, Manile Amistad, Aizel Asenero, Marlene Desierto, Raven Pakibot, Milrose Yatoro, Marvel Paradella, and Nicole Pepito, and lastly, our queen of TikTok, Jershel Ponce. So, what is TikTok Shop? I guess everybody is aware what TikTok really is. So, a little background what TikTok is. It is known in China as Douyin. It's a short form video hosting service owned by the Chinese company ByteDance. It hosts a variety of user submitted videos from content such as pranks, stunts, tricks, jokes, and dance with durations from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Both amateur and professional artists can cooperate on content and make split screens duet videos, even if they are in separate locations. They can also add effects like filters, background music, and stickers to their videos. Next slide. So I guess everybody is aware what TikTok is, and I guess we are also all a user of TikTok. We tend to open that app during our spare time or if ever we are bored to look for trending videos, dance steps, and latest music in the internet. Next slide, please. So this is an example of a TikTok profile. So to elaborate, TikTok Shop is from TikTok platform. So basically, TikTok was not an e-commerce platform compared to the three other platforms which the other presenters have presented. For example, Elaborate, Shein, Lazada, and Shopee. So TikTok Shop wasn't really from the start an e-commerce platform. So they just expanded during 2021. So um, to summarize, TikTok Shop was launched by ByteDance in 2021 to integrate e-commerce directly into the app. The goal was to let users discover and buy products without leaving TikTok. ByteDance expanded into e-commerce to tap into social commerce trend, create a new revenue stream, build on the success of Douyin, basically its TikTok Chinese version, and leverage influencer marketing for product sales. So in short, TikTok Shop turns entertainment into shopping by combining short videos, live streams, and in-app purchase. Next slide, please. So you can see the TikTok timeline we provided during March 2012. Internet entrepreneur Zhang Yiming founds ByteDance in Beijing. And during 2017, September, ByteDance brings Douyin outside of China's Great Firewall under the name of TikTok. And during 2018, by October, ByteDance achieved a record of $75 billion valuation, making it the world's biggest privately backed startup. And during April 2020, TikTok surpasses 2 billion downloads and sets the record for quarterly downloads. And during 2021 of December, TikTok overtakes Google as the most visited website on the internet. So that span of years, that's how TikTok platform evolved from simply users only posting some pranks, stunts, and a little singing covers and dance covers to expanding to the e-commerce field. So, with no further ado, I would like to start off the second presenter who will present the next objectives.
Next is the P time. The P time is the time taken to prepare a product for shipping after customer places an order. This includes the order confirmation, processing, and the warehouse. The P time typically refers to processing time. It is the duration it takes for an order to be processed and para maandam for shipment after it has been placed by a customer. This time period includes various activities such as the order verification, the packaging, sa kung ano siya sa processing, packaging and the labeling and the handling, which is pag-prepare sa product para sa transportation. And yeah, next is the D time, which is the time taken to transport and deliver the product from the seller to the customer. This includes pickup by the courier, transit time, and the last mile delivery. Okay, next. Um, the factors affecting P time in TikTok Shop. The seller type, if small sellers lang siya, longer na siya og P time due to manual processing and packaging. And the next is the larger business with warehouses. This kanang mga business kanang mga dagko na. So yeah, nara na sila yung mga stock sa inventory. And the other processing speed, seller must confirm orders quickly to prevent delays. TikTok Shop usually gives seller 24 to 48 hours to process an order before penalties apply. So yeah, dapat if after ma-confirm ma-confirm sa after ma-confirm sa kanang mo order dapat mo-confirm sa dayon ang seller para ma-avoid ang penalties. Next is the inventory availability. Balik tayo. Moto shop. Moto siya, in-stock items have shorter P time than ang kanang mga made-to-order or customized products have the longer P time due to authorized manufacturing or assembly steps. Next is the average P time in TikTok Shop. If fast-moving ra ang product, kay 1 to 2 days lang na siya. Then if made-to-order or customized products, kay 3 to 7 days, and pre-order items is 7 to 14 days. Next, Dai.
So to continue the report about the P time and the D time, so let's talk about the D time or the delivery time in TikTok Shop. So in factors affecting the D time in TikTok Shop, so there is a shipping method. So standard shipping is 3 to 7 days, so most common for local orders. And second is the express shipping, so 1 to 3 days, available in some regions. And third is the international shipping, which is 7 to 21 days, longer for cross-border sellers. So we all know that as a TikTok shop user, it is depending siya sa location sa imong seller. If it is an international seller or shop, so it is expected na your product will arrive at a longer time compared to the local product that you have ordered. So, kung siya. And then um, there's an option for express shipping, but from the word itself, express, so it is a fast shipping and also dependent on the location or the region that you are in. And the next is the courier efficiency. So TikTok Shop partners with logistics providers such as JNT Express, Shopee Express, Ninja Van, DHL, and many more. So as we all know, TikTok Shop is not uh, primarily, at first, it is not an e-commerce platform. It is an entertainment platform, which is later, bago lang, we convert into or expand sila into an e-commerce platform. So they don't have that mature logistics environment or ecosystem itself. So they rely mostly on the third party couriers to deliver their products. So delivery time depends on how fast the courier picks up and transport the package. So after the seller approve your order, it is dependent on the couriers on if they pick up your products, kung dali nila pick up yung products, or there's something wrong sa ilahang sa bad weather or factors that can affect their delivery that will cause the delays. So third is the customer location. So urban areas. So urban areas, they have a faster delivery time, which is 1 to 3 days, while the rural areas, slower time, it takes 5 to 10 days. And of course, international orders, longest time, 7 to 21 days. So, but this is only the average time. It is not entirely the exact time that you will receive your product. As I've said a while ago, it is dependent on the factors that can cause delay to the delivery of your product. Example of those factors are the bad weather, or the politics, or the customs. If you're ordering for international sellers, so the custom policy can affect the delivery time of the product. So next slide, please. Um, okay. So let's move on to the average lead time in TikTok shop. So gibalik na nako, local orders or same city, 1 to 3 days. So there's an instance, example, nag-order ko last time. So I ordered through express delivery, and natimingan na ang seller is same radyo sa Cebu City. So I ordered it this day, and I received the product at the same day. So it is not entirely like if you order through an express delivery, it is not entirely na same day delivery na ma-deliver. It takes 1 to 3 days, depende sa region na asa kada pita. So local orders, so different regions, 3 to 7 days. International orders, 7 to 21 days. So sige, balik ako ganina, it is pwede na siya faster time na ma-deliver, and pwede siya ma-delay sa pag-deliver. Depende na lang sa factors na maka-affect sa delivery niya. So here's an example of it. So a customer in Manila ordering from a seller in Quezon City may receive their order within 1 to 2 days. So of course, ang ilang region or location is located in um, the capital of the Philippines, which is mostly na dito ang mga warehouses, na dito ang mga sellers. So we can expect that the product will be delivered faster compared to other regions. So a customer in Cebu ordering from a seller in China may have to wait 7 to 14 days for international shipping. So it is self-explanatory naman na if layo, so you expect a longer time delivery. If dool, so you expect a faster time delivery. So next, please. So how TikTok Shop optimizes P time and B time. So there are three. So first is the fulfilled by TikTok or FBT, order processing deadlines, logistics partnerships, and traffic identification. So first is fulfilled by TikTok or FBT. So some sellers use TikTok's own warehouse and fulfillment service, reducing P time and ensuring faster shipping. So even though the TikTok shop is just recently na nahimo, and their logistics system is not fully matured, they have their own warehouse which sellers can put their products into it, and the TikTok shop itself will process everything from delivering it to no sa TikTok shop na ang mo process uh, from accepting the order to delivering it to the customers. So using this fulfilled by TikTok shop or FBT, so using this service, the P time and the B time will be shortened a lot. So most of the time, sellers or customers would prefer to put their products on the TikTok's own warehouse. for their convenience and for the customer's convenience and customers' delights. So next is ordering processing deadline. So sellers must confirm and ship orders within 24 to 48 hours to avoid penalties. So TikTok Shop um, put this policy to avoid loss of customers, because if they don't um, approve the order within 24 to 48 hours, they will have a penalty. So to avoid those penalties, the sellers must um, approve those orders. And also, if the faster they approve, the faster those products would be delivered. So it is a win-win situation for both the sellers and the customers. And next is the logistic partnerships. So TikTok Shop collaborates with multiple couriers to offer different delivery speeds. As I said a while ago, back ako. So TikTok Shop doesn't have its matured logistic system yet. So they have a lot of third party third party partnerships to different couriers to assist their delivery or their logistics. Lastly is tracking and notification. So buyers receive real-time tracking updates, reducing uncertainty. So to those who are TikTok Shop users or even sa lain nga mga e-platform like Shopee, they have this new system or new options na you can track real time your product if asa na siya dapita, to make it convenient if your product was delayed or your product is coming, para sa if ever if your product is COD or cash on delivery, you can prepare your cash or you can prepare your payment ahead of time, and instead of further delaying it, but because you are not yet ready to pay for your order. So that's it for my part, and it will be continued to my next group mates.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So from here on, we will just be comparing the TikTok Shop, Shopee, Lazada, and Shein for the business model and market position. So as we all know, TikTok Shop is not originally a marketplace. So it's a entertainment platform na din siya, and then nahimo siyang na siya ay marketplace. So for market position niya kay for impulse buying through viral videos, di ba kabantay ta sa kanang TikTok is daghan yung mga mag-review, mga influencers, kanang sa pamitag vloggers, TikTokers nga mo encourage sa mga ilang target market nga mupalit jud, and of course kasagarang mga nagamit po sa TikTok o kanang ilang algorithm nga mugawa sa ilang feed is mo pud to ang mga mostly kay mga dali mabudol nga tao or ma-recommend lang sa jud sa ilahang feed. So for Lazada and Shopee, it is a market with integrated logistics for Shopee, and for Lazada, marketplace with fulfillment services. So we all know that these two kanang platforms are the OGs or the originals sa e-commerce nga app. So for its market position, so Shopee dominates Southeast Asia with aggressive promotions. Di ba kabantay mo puntaan ng kanang sa GMA katong sa tawag na Wawawin, mao na sila man pwedeng promote ana niya every month nga kanang 4-4 or 3-3, basta kanang month og ang date nga matunong sa every month kay naman na sila murag pabongga nga promotion. Yeah, napo na sila yung mga sales. Pareha pod sa Lazada, but it's just that Shopee is it's how do you call that? Kanang mas aggressive ilang promotions, and mas daghang mo tangkilik sa Shopee kaysa sa Lazada. So as for Lazada it is kanang backed up with Alibaba with strong logistics. So for Shein, it is a direct to consumer fast fashion. So unlike
Shopee, Lazada, TikTok nga daghan og sellers, daghan pod og brands. Ang Shein kay it is the brand itself and it is the seller itself. So mo na siya. So Shein, as we all know again, it is a mostly a clothing kanang clothes ilahang mga line, clothing line niya. As of now, nanana sila yung mga accessories like earrings, necklaces, and sometimes napoy katong mga phone cases. So yeah, naghira-hira na sila o kinang expand sa ilahang what you call this items. So next, we're gonna compare their P time or production time. So for the TikTok shop, it takes for about 24 to 48 hours if it kanang nanay stocked items. So for the factors that affects the production time, of course, the seller efficiency. If it's made to order products, of course, it will take longer period of time. And the live selling demand. Kaya if live selling demand sa kanang mga demand in demand nga materials or items mo na sila mas daghan og stock nga items. For Shopee and Lazada, they have the 24 to 72 hours. And the factors affecting, of course, the location of the seller, the warehouse storage, and the fulfillment speed. Kay bisan ang kaning Lazada inani sa nasa nga factors kay as we kanang it is already tackled in the previous groups nga natoy katong fulfilled by Shopee or Lazada, katong seller lang mismo ang nag-ship sa ilahang mga items. So yes, that's why. And sa Shopee po na poy kanang Shopee Mall niya, sa Lazada na Laz Mall. So as for the Shein, again, ilahan na ng own brand, own seller sila, ilahan ning kanang own rapod nga sa tawag na logistics. So made to order production kanang labi na sa mga items nga kanang dili kayo gani kanang viral or kanang in demand based sa ilahang sales for sales report. Okay, but again nara gihapoy katong mga items that kanang kusog mahalin, then napod gihapon sila stock, but basically 2 to 7 days jud ang ilahang production time. So we're gonna talk about the D time, which will be discussed by Raven Pakibet. Thank you. Oh no, I'm so sorry. It's still my topic pala. So for the distribution time, so we'll still compare the distribution time of these four platforms. For the TikTok shop, if pareha ng kanijud silang upat tulo kay magdepende sa jud bitaw ni siya sa location kay I've already experienced kanang purchasing this and nasa joy mga locations nga dool. For example, sa TikTok is nasa lay warehouse or ang seller mismo kay dool ra sa Lapu-Lapu. It only took 3 days and sa pareha sa Shopee o Lazada. But as for the Shein, again, international man sila, mo na dugay sila, mo na 7 to 21 days. So TikTok 1 to 7 days local, and depende po na siya sa imong location, og 7 to 21 days if mo ship sila outside the country. So their logistics partners are JNT Express, Ninja Van, Shopee Express, and other third-party couriers. So as for the Shopee, 1 to 7 days ang local, 7 to 14 days again. Ang international, yes, mas dali siya gamay compare sa TikTok, ang Shopee. So for logistics partners, they have their own Shopee Express, which is nice kay kung naman sa established naman sa good sila. And JNT, we also have this GoGo Express and DHL. For Lazada, 1 to 7 days for local and 7 to 14 days for international, pareha sa Shopee. So yes, ang Lazada, they also have their own logistics, and well, they are also partnered with JNT, Ninja Van, and DHL. And as for the Shein, so they have their very own logistics sampod, which is named as Shein Global Logistics, and their other local partners. So yes, that ends my part. Thank you again.
Good morning, everyone. I am Raven Pakibot, and I'm going to continue the discussion. So my part is logistic and fulfillment services. So first is TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a limited fulfillment some warehouses in Southeast Asia, and its shipping strategy is seller based or some TikTok fulfilled FBT. So in this comparison, as we all know, as what Jershal said, TikTok is still new to the when it comes to business that provides service or like selling products, since it is an entertainment website. So why is it limited? Limited because they don't actually have a specific warehouse wherein it's not like the same as Shopee or Lazada nga naa sila own nga warehouse, pero ang TikTok is like na just like murag gamay lang na nila nga warehouse nga ara mag kanang mag store sa ilang mga stocks sa katong mga kanang products from other sellers. Then, when it comes to shipping strategy, seller base, it means nga pwede ra nga kanang ang TikTok ang mahug nga mo promote or mo market sa product sa sellers, pwede niya ang kanang mulihok sa logistics, sa inventory, sa pagpack sa product is katud yung seller. The next is Shopee. So we all know Shopee and Lazada Jud here in the Philippines. Nga it has a multiple warehouses in Southeast Asia, and both of them has their own warehouses, and they're the ones who kanang do all the process sa kanang pag receive sa order, pag-pack, and also pag-deliver. And both of them have their own um, logistics or like the delivery, which is the Shopee Express and the for the Shopee and Alibaba for the Lazada. But for Shopee, kay napo na sa third party, for example, kana mga JNT, kana mga Ninja Express, mga inana. Then last is Shein. So in Shein is a centralized warehouses in China, or like there's also some in the global. But sa kaning sa Shein is like mainly jud ilahang warehouse kay sa China. Then ilahang shipping kanang strategy is like kanang once nga na ilahan nang na human ang katong process sa pagpack is like diretso nila ihatag sa katong local sa kana nga region, then nakato na sila ang mo deliver towards the customer itself. So wala sila murag kanang wala sila kamurag ka partnership or wala sila ilang own nga kanang logistics. Next die. Next is the pricing and discounts. So with this four kay ang kaning TikTok shop, it is a viral driven or a competitive kanang mga pricing strategy, pero like napoy uban is like kaning discounts kay mo use ni sila og kanang mga live stream, like makabantay man jud taana naman jud ni murag usahay magkanang mag 4-4 sale, mag 3-3 sale mura pug sa Shopee, pero ang unlikely lang anik sa TikTok shop kay daghan jud makapalit og ahat kay ang kaning TikTok shop is like kana bitang mao jud ni mostly used sa mga tao nowadays. The next is Shopee. So kaning Shopee is it is a competitive and low cost pricing, and it also provides same pod sa TikTok, pero kani sila is like murag sila jud nakauna jud ani nga deals, which is kani mga flash sales, 9-9, 10-10, 11-11 events o kaning free shipping. Lazada also is a competitive and has a premium seller. So kanilang pricing kay murag naiuban medyo gamay, naiuban kay sakto-sakto lang, pero they also provide discounts og like na mga mega sales. Sa Shein, it is a affordable fashion, like from what I've experienced kay nadji times nga kanang murag mag-sale ni ang kaning Shein, like para murag i-lower bitaw nila nya mo to kay kanang mo provide na sila og kanang free shipping if ever nga kanang mo reach ka ani nga amount or napoy uban kay nadyo sila voucher nga ihatag nga na kay free shipping. Next, Dai. Next is the customer experience and trust. So in TikTok Shop, when it comes to customer protection, it has a buyer protection but some scam issues. In return policy, it has 7 days return varies by the seller. So when sa kaning TikTok, it is not really pa fully kanang trusted when it comes to like protection since namang gay uban kay mas scam bitaw kay kani biyang TikTok dali biya talaga ka na makalit-kalit ta og palit kay tungod ay kani nito siya view so palit ka diretso magin ana man jud ta. So but they also provide buyer protection pero kaning return policy is like mag-negotiate pa kana sa seller then ay ha na ka maka-return sa katong product nga deliver sa imong. Sa Shopee is it has a strong buyer and easy return guarantee. So kaning sa Shopee is like naman na sila option sa ila katong murag ilahang information sa katong pag-track kasi mong delivery namin nakutang cancel or return. So kana i-click ra nimo ng return para kwaon na sa driver. Then sila niya no to ila na ibalik sa seller. Same man na sa Lazada. Then sa Shein is it has a moderate protection so it's not really fully kanang protected like kuan pud siya trusted kaayo. Then it has a strict return policies for some items. Di ko kuan sa Shein like ako mo ka trying like naka-return but from what I've kanang research is like kanang naa na sila murag dagan-dagan pa na siya og kanang kuti-kutihon in case nga magpa-return ka og kanang ilahang mga products. That's it for my part. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, inventory management practices. So, ang TikTok shop is na siya kanang smart system. So, sellers use something called the seller center. So, mura ni siya og control panel for their shop. So, inside, they have tools to keep track of exactly how many of each product they have at any moment. And TikTok shop offers two ways to get your product to customers, which is shipping by TikTok and shipping by seller. So shipping by TikTok means TikTok handles the shipping for you, while the shipping by seller means you manage it yourself. Either way, the seller center keeps the track of everything. And next slide, please, Jershel. So now let's talk about the benefits of good inventory management. So first, it's easy to see what you have and what you need. Second is those stocks alerts prevent you from losing sales because you ran out of something popular item. And third is it makes managing your business much more efficient. So you're not wasting time guessing how much of each item you have. The next slide, please. So, the seller center has a stock dashboard. So, mura na siya og kanang summary of everything, like a snapshot of your inventory. So, it shows you exactly how many items you have and broken down into different categories. So first is ang on hand. So what you physically have and available. So mo na siya ang what's ready to be sold. And the lot. So mo na siya ang mga items that are already committed to orders or campaigns. Next slide, please. So here are some key practices. So first is the real time inventory tracking. So it's always up to date. So mo to siyang katong sa stock dashboard. So the effectiveness of real time inventory tracking is clearly demonstrated by Prism Plus. So kuan ni siya kanang Singaporean nga electronics nga brand. So their 12/12 sales saw a remarkable 58% increase in sales driven by live streams. However, by leveraging real-time inventory data, they successfully managed their stock levels and prevented any instances of overselling, highlighting the crucial role of their
technology in managing high volume sales. So next is the automated stocks alerts. So even they even get alerts of they're running low on something. So giving them a heads up to reorder. So this is super useful kay it prevents those frustrating out of stock messages that can really annoy sa mga customers. So third is filtering the restock list. So you can filter and sort your products like ganahan ka dali ra nimo makita ang mga items na hapit na mahurot or only those in specific categories. So this makes it much easier to spot potential problems and plan ahead. And last is multi-channel management and safety stock. So if namaligya ka sa TikTok and sa Amazon, so it can sync both inventories so you don't accidentally sell the same product twice. Plus, smart sellers keep a safety stock. So that's all. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, my topic is all about warehousing strategies, fulfillment by platform versus third party sellers. So, TikTok warehousing and fulfillment strategies for its TikTok shop involves a combination of options. It includes fulfillment by TikTok, self fulfillment or the seller direct fulfillment, and the third party logistic providers or the 3PL. So next slide, please. So the first fulfillment option is the self-fulfillment or the seller direct fulfillment. So in this option, kaya ang seller can also choose to handle the entire fulfillment process themselves. That includes warehousing, packing, and shipping. So TikTok provides shipping labels from the seller's account, but the seller is responsible for all other aspects of fulfillment. So the best example for fulfillment is like the small business or kanang mga business nga handmade. The next one is the fulfilled by TikTok. So fulfilled by TikTok, kay sellers can send their inventory to TikTok's fulfillment center, and TikTok handles the storage, picking, packing, and shipping. So ang TikTok kay nagpartner siya with the Flash Express and the Ninja Van to be their first fulfilled by TikTok partner in the Philippines to facilitate order fulfillment. And lastly is the third party logistic providers. So sellers can choose to work with 3PLs to handle the warehousing, order processing, and the shipping of their TikTok shop orders. So these options offer flexibility and allow sellers to leverage the expertise of specialized logistic providers. So we have two kanang 3PL in the Philippines. So we have the Locad and the ShipHype. So these two offer order fulfillment services, handling storage, picking, packing, and shipping, streamlining the processes and ensuring efficient delivery to customers. So, so when choosing a fulfillment option, we should consider a factors such as shipping speed, cost, and customer experiences. For example, in FBT, offer faster shipping options and handles customer inquiries, while 3PLs or the third party logistic providers, they are more flexible and scalability sila. So TikTok's warehousing strategies aim to streamline order fulfillment, reduce cost, and improve customer satisfaction by understanding these options and considerations. So seller can choose the best approach for their business needs. That's all for my part.
Hello mga ka-HR! So for today's video, I'll be reporting the Section C, shipping time estimates and actual customer delivery experiences. So the section focuses on estimated delivery times for various shipping methods. used on TikTok's platform. It provides a quick overview of how shipping is handled depending on who fulfills the order. Hello mga dabarkads. Yes, mga ka-HR inana na siya. So ato itok ang mga key estimated delivery methods nga gi-mention dira mga ka-HR. So first mga ka-HR, ang seller handled shipping. This means that the seller themselves responsible for the processing and shipping of the order. Delivery times may vary depending on the seller's location and choosing courier. So, kaning second mga ka-HR, which is the shipping method. So, mga ka-HR, kabalo na magin mo ana. This refers to the logistics option selected during the checkout, which can influence how fast or slow the item is delivered. So, ang third mga ka-HR kay shipped by TikTok. In this case, TikTok manage shipping logistics directly. So, sila na yung nag-direct o manage ang mga ka-HR. Then, tungod sa TikTok, mga ka-HR, ni puti ko, tungod kayo nung nikuha kong mga kuan order, kong mga pang-puti, pang-glutatayon, pang-retinol, mga na siya. So, yeah, definitely choose TikTok over the others. This can provide more stabilizers and possibly faster deliveries. So, fulfilled by TikTok, which is the last mga ka-HR. This method means TikTok not only handles the shipping but also the storage and packing. Yes, mga ka-HR, they handle the packing of the product. Yes, the FBT is generally more reliable and faster. Kaya na naman nila sila may mo store, sila sa mo pack, mga packer, sila mga ka-HR. And also, since sila may mo store, so mga storers po sila mga ka-HR. Oh, safe. Two seller-handed options. So, these delivery methods, kana sila mga ka-HR, kanang upat, highlight how customer experience can vary depending on the chosen shipping option. Sorry, it is important for both sellers and buyers to be aware of these differences to ensure smoother transactions and better satisfaction. Next slide mga ka-HR, diri na to makitaan ang actual customer delivery o unsaon pag-track nimo sa imong order sa imong glutatayon para maputi ka kapares nako. So, guys, now moving forward with more information, it is important to note that the actual delivery times may vary, and this is due to the several which is first is a shipping method. So shipping method, different methods come with delivery time frames. So dili kay nga no kuan kanang sa pa nag-expect ka nga international nga order kay maabot og 3 days, good luck nimo. So magdepende ang imuhang shipping method sa imuhang gibayran kung sa kadako ang iyahang kuan kung sa for example usak house and lot imuhang kuha sa kuan sa TikTok wata kabalo ba sila na di ba usa ka house and lot nga human size so madugay gina siya kay dako man kung kuan lang kanang house and lot nga kanang doll size sige paabot og 3 days kuha na nimo ribbon na dungog tika nga nagkatawa so yes. So, arita sa processing time. Ang processing time, magdepende po na kung unsa ka bulk ang imuhang order. So, and this time, it takes for the seller or platform to prepare and ship the order. Kaya nga ang processing time, dako ganin mong ipaprocess, of course, matugay na siya. Gamay gali, of course, madali na siya. So, arita sa order volume and peak periods. Kanus aman yung mga peak periods, mga ka-HR. Yes, very good. Holiday season. Monthly kuan. Amo to si tawagan na siya kanang 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 8 9 10. Inana mga ka-HR peak season na siya mga HR kay mga ka-HR kay ano discounted man mga ka-HR. Yes. And also mga ka-HR, mga kuan, graduation, mga graduation gifts, so mga kuan na, mga May or June, April o kana mga daghan og mga process ana that usa kay mag bulk order pag gina siya labi na, for example ako na ako'y mga kuan since rich tita man ko na ako'y mga 12 ka buok nga inaanak. Pagkahuman di ba i-bulk order na mga ka-HR adto ko sa peak seasons, adto ko sa mga discounted prices. Yes, so high demand seasons mga ka-HR or large order mga ka-HR can lead to delays mga ka-HR. So if di ka ganan ma-delay ka mga ka-HR, kung 12 ka buok inaanak nimo mga ka-HR, iguwa ang usa sa usa ka month. Yes, mga ka-HR, nanaon na siya mga ka-HR. Arita sa kuan, pag-track sa imong order, naaba kay kuan ka nang si panay ka nang problema sa imong order, mauto ba ka sa customer delivery, mo ka hello, telepon, mana ba ka sa call source customer service, dali ba ka makuan, ka-press conversion, nga dali daghan kay kuan, ka anger issues, mana asa mo order? Mga anak kung ganan mo inana mga ka-HR, I'll guide you through it. Because, yes, I am your sign and also your guidance counselor. So, to help customers stay informed about the deliveries, TikTok Shop provides 2 convenient tracking options. So, nanay duha ka buok mga ka-HR. First, you can check your order status directly on the TikTok app. Makitaan man nimo ditong TikTok app, diba? Nandito sa TikTok app, babaw ana niya nanay ka na imuhang option kung asa na ang imuhang order, asa na yung map. Your parcel is on the land, your parcel is on transportation, your parcel fell into the ocean. Naraan na. Ito pagtanaw. Ayaw reklamo dayon. Ito pagtanaw na. Then second, you can use their tracking number provided and then mato ka sa ilang page. Pagkahuman kayo mato ka sa shipping couriers website. Na siya dito. All you wanna do, all you can do, all you wanna do, all you have to do, all you can do, comment down below. So, mga ka-HR na siya mga ka-HR. So, nara sa asa na gali ko? Yes, tracking number provided. Muna mo kwaon. Pagkahuman kay kani siya magamit siya mga ka-HR og mo reklamo ka. Get your kuan kanang telephone. Call the kanang customer service. Call them. Hello? Oh, reply siya. Oh my God. So, basically, nana siya mga ka-HR, kanang call ka dito, paghuman kay mo na sila, mo na ka, asa naman akong order niya, wala kay tanaw sa app. O nitanaw ka sa app, paghuman kay di lang siya updated, na stock up siya to 5 days. Paghuman mga ka-HR, call ka na. Mga tanan na sila, sige mes, unsa man mo reference master mes, unsa man mo reference number mes, mo na sila, mahita na sila sa reference number, mahita na sila sa tracking code. So after na mga ka-HR, mo ka sa kuan, sa kanang i-connect kanila ba sa kanang asa na a warehouse ko, asa na nagkuan. So ang katong customer service sila na mo help o kuan dito ikaw for the customer service niya, customer service to the warehouse. Mo na siya. Diba? Mura ko buang-buang mag-explain pero nakagets siya mo. Yes. So basically, kanang call sila. Pagkawa na kayo, kuan ka na, ang katulong customer service mo na masulti dito nga, asa naman ni nga tracking number, nga na stock up man ni, inana. So ang katong call center, katong mga tao sa warehouse, basta sila, mga tao dito, mga agent dito, kaya makall na sa kuan sa kanang warehouse, sa warehouse sa call center niya, na money siya kay nagbagyo man good mo nang na-stock up sa mo ang kuan. So ang pagkahuman na ang katong customer service kay mong gi-call mo tay musulti nimo nga kalam, ma'am, the number you have dialed is busy at the moment. Please try your call later. Check. Mas mana siya pagkahuman kay mana siya nga kanang, ma'am, nadugay siya kay nagbagyo pa. Dili ma-shift imong order kay muhang order kay usa ka sako nga bugas. Sige daw, try daw. O deliver na siya sa Baguio. Makab-deliver ka, di ba dili? So, you have to see kung saan ma-benefit nimo. Kay, dili man na mo ship ang mga mga warehouser, ka mga storager o mga packer. O kuan ka na, maguba ang imuhang item. So, you gotta wait for the best. These tracking options ka na sila mga ka-HR, maka-help. This is designated na siya mga ka-HR para nimo customer. Designated na para na nimo ang ilahang customer service. So use it. Use it wisely. Yes, because you are a customer. So it helps them, it helps you to be updated and to help them manage expectations regarding sa imong delivery. So like makabalo ka, kanina siya kay mo sa dito nga parang, it will deliver on April 27. Oh, so pagkahuman ka mga April 22 na karon, sige mo leave ko, mubut mo hatag kog sick leave sa ako ang kuan sa ika 27 kay kuwaon ako ang ako ang usa ka sa ako nga bugas, lutoon ako dayon. Pero pakaon mo ko ba feeding program ko. Inana na siya mga ka-HR. So it helps you. It helps me too. It helps us reporters too. Thank you. Mga ka-HR, this part is for Marlene, mga ka-HR. So, the little bit overview ani para mahumana mong topic. So, the use of data for analytics and logistics efficiency. So, ensuring seamless delivery for products and customers, mga ka-HR. Yes. Here are some key ways data analysis is utilized. So, I'll just say this, mga ka-HR. It will be explained briefly. It will explain morely with Marlene Desherto, mga ka-HR. Amo asa ng ka-HR na mga ka-team. So, predictive analysis, real-time inventory tracking, and order fulfillment optimization, shipping delivery optimization, returns, and management. And for the next slide, we have the challenges and advantages of TikTok Shop's logistics system. So on logistics systems, we have the enhanced engagement, cost-effective logistics, and future social commerce. Then, and we have the, yes? All right, we have Marvel Paradella, the owner of the Marvel industry.
Madungo ko, guys. Okay.
Yes.
So now we're on our last two topics, which is the challenges and advantages of TikTok Shop's logistics system. So TikTok Shop advantage over traditional e-commerce platforms. So while traditional platforms are logistics giant, TikTok Shop offers unique advantage, which is first, enhanced engagement. TikTok, TikTok immersive short video format encourages users to make instant purchases through direct links, making it a pioneer in social selling on TikTok. So these features drive sales organically by leveraging trends and viral content. The next is the cost-effective logistics, which is without the need for like massive warehouse or proprietary logistics systems. Small businesses can enter the market with minimal investment. Then last for the advantages is future of social commerce, which is the rise of TikTok shop growth highlights a shift towards social commerce trends where like buyers and sellers interact in real time, fostering trust and community. Next slide, please. And then lastly, boy, Can I go? Last topic is the challenges and advantages of TikTok Shop's logistics system. So challenges in like TikTok Shop logistics, despite its potential, TikTok Shop faces several e-commerce logistic challenges. First is the scalability, which is as businesses grow, managing inventory and shipping without the support of advanced tools like fulfillment platforms can become cumbersome. And then next is returns and refunds, which the platform's policies are less standardized, creating inconsistencies for buyers. And lastly is the limited integration, which is unlike traditional e-commerce platform, TikTok Shops lacks seamless integration with like tools like Slack's integration or custom. So that would be all, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Mana?
Yes, ako na yun.